Hey there! Welcome to The Explainer. I'm so pumped you're here with us today because, well, we're tackling something pretty much everyone is feeling right now: tech overwhelm. I mean, look around, right? AI is literally everywhere. It's in the news, at work, completely changing how we do things. But let's be honest, for a lot of folks, this whole AI wave feels less like a thrilling adventure and way more like a giant wave of anxiety just waiting to crash over them. So today, we're breaking down a program called AI in 30 by Levi Jonathan Mizzle. It's basically a roadmap that promises to take absolute beginners from feeling totally paralyzed by AI to actually feeling empowered by it. And the kicker, it claims to do all of this in just 30 days.
So here's a blunt question. Are you too old for AI? I know it sounds a little harsh, but it really validates a very real, very common fear. Because AI is moving at lightning speed, right? And there's this massive group of people, especially adults over 50, who are quietly, or honestly sometimes not so quietly, worrying that the tech train has just totally left the station without them. The marketing for AI in 30 actually speaks directly to this exact fear. They hit that intimidation factor right on the head, knowing full well that so many of us feel we just don't have the tech background to even touch these modern AI tools. As we go through this explainer, you'll see exactly how the course tries to completely knock down that mental roadblock.
Okay, let's really dive into this. For a lot of people, the word AI just screams confusing jargon, massive tech headaches, and software that feels like, you need a PhD in computer science just to log in. It's like that universal frustration of setting up a new gadget, but amplified 100 times. But AI in 30 tries to flip that script completely. They're promising plain English guidance, super simple steps, and real-world examples. Basically, the whole goal is to ditch the tech snobbery and make AI feel like a friendly, everyday tool instead of some giant, impossible mountain you have to climb.
Now the creator, Levi Jonathan Mizzle, really leans into a sense of urgency here. He says, there is only a short window of time to learn these skills. You don't want to be left behind. Wow, okay, that is a powerful statement. From a marketing standpoint, this heavily taps into FOMO, the fear of missing out. Actually, fun fact, behind-the-scenes testing for this program's YouTube ads specifically called this the FOMO and future-proofing angle. And it creates this really compelling story. AI isn't just some passing fad, it's a massive shift in how society works. And the window to adapt and even profit from it is supposedly closing fast. So who is the guy actually making all these huge promises? Well, Levi Jonathan Mizzle is a technology trainer and, in his own words, a total marketing nerd. According to the materials, he founded the Online Marketing Letter and Cyberwave Media. And get this, he's been building businesses, courses, and ebooks since way back in 1993. So, he's a veteran teacher who has spoken at hundreds of seminars. By presenting himself as someone who spent decades helping everyday small businesses use tech for sales and education, he's basically saying, hey, I'm the perfect experienced guy to walk you beginners through this crazy new world of artificial intelligence. Section 1. Enter AI in 30, the targeted solution for beginners.
Now, the whole point of this program isn't to teach you how to write crazy complex code. Nope, it's about showing you how to turn tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Copilot into your own personal assistant and business coach. It takes these super advanced, kind of intimidating AI models and frames them as highly practical tools for your day-to-day life. It's really about dragging AI out of that sci-fi realm and dropping it right onto your laptop. Whether you need to brainstorm ideas, write some copy, or literally just organize your messy schedule, it's right there for you.
And that brings us to who this is actually for. It casts a really wide but super specific net aimed right at non-techies who just don't want to become obsolete. It's heavily focused on adults over 50 who feel totally left behind and retirees looking for their next big chapter or even just a fun creative hobby. But it's also for side hustlers and entrepreneurs who want to promote their business on the cheap. Plus, you've got professionals nearing retirement wanting to future-proof their skills, job seekers needing an edge, and of course, curious lifelong learners who just want a totally pressure-free way to figure all this stuff out.
Section 2. The 30-day curriculum, from basics to side hustles.
Now, what's really interesting here is how fast this curriculum moves. I mean, it is quick. On day 1, you're starting at absolute zero. What is AI? Basic stuff. But then, boom, by day 7, just 1 week in, the course jumps straight into making money with 7 ways to use AI to make $250 this week. That is a huge leap from theory straight into practical money-making side hustles. And then by day 30, it wraps up by having you create a personalized AI plan for the future. This is to make absolutely sure the skills you just learned don't just, fade away, but actually become part of your long-term goal.
A really crucial point in their marketing is that this course is all about real-life applications. You are meant to learn by doing. not just sitting there watching videos passively. You'll actually do prompt writing practice, which, if you don't know, is basically learning the art of how to talk to a robot so it actually gives you the answer you want. You'll do an AI tool comparison to figure out which AI is best for which job. Then there's an AI business idea brainstorm, and you even map out a life improvement plan. The whole thing is designed to be super actionable right from day one.
So the curriculum kind of has this dual personality, splitting neatly into personal and professional applications. On the personal side of things, it covers everyday tasks. Think planning a vacation, looking into health and wellness, and there's even a whole module on using AI to preserve your family's legacy. Pretty cool, right? Then on the professional side, it teaches you how to launch an AI side hustle, supercharge a business you already own, or use the tech to translate and communicate with people all over the globe. It's a really holistic approach aimed at automating and upgrading pretty much every part of your daily routine.
All right, moving on to Section 3, the offer and guarantee, breaking down the mechanics.
15. Honestly, this might just be the most important number in their whole marketing playbook. The course asks for only 15 to 20 minutes of your day. By chopping the curriculum up into these short, bite-sized daily lessons, Mizzle completely takes away the excuse of not having enough time. You absolutely don't need to block out hours of your evening for this. You literally just need 15 minutes to review the lesson and mess around with the tools a bit.
And right next to that tiny time commitment is the financial one, $34.95. The sales page makes a huge deal about this being a limited time, discounted one-time fee, marked down from $49.95. And they are super explicit about this next part, which is a major psychological trigger. There is absolutely zero monthly billing, no subscriptions. Once you pay that $34.95, you own lifetime access to the coursework, the whole shebang.
Now, to really bump up that perceived value, they bundle in a bunch of bonuses. So along with the core 30-day program, buyers get free lifetime upgrades, which they value at $99. That just means whenever the tech updates, your program updates too. You also get a beginner's guide to AI tools, a prompt power pack to help you write those clever AI commands, and you get tossed into a private Facebook group to hang out with other users and share success stories.
Okay, this part is actually wild. Unlike a standard digital refund where, you ask for your money back and they immediately lock you out of the product, this program offers a highly unusual 60-day risk-free guarantee. Basically, if you don't like it for whatever reason, they refund your money, and you still get to keep lifetime access to the program with the creator's compliments. Seriously, Mizzle says he knows some people might take advantage of it, but he's just that confident the program works and the refund rate is tiny. It's a massive flex designed to remove literally all friction from hitting that buy button.
So I want to leave you with a really provocative question, pulled straight from the core of this course. Will you let the AI revolution pass you by? Or will you take just 15 minutes a day to future-proof your life? AI in 30 makes a really compelling argument that you absolutely do not need a computer science degree to master this stuff. You just need the willingness to sit down for a few minutes a day and learn. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. I really hope this breakdown gave you a clear picture of how this course tries to turn completely overwhelmed beginners into confident AI pros. See you next time.